All right, Resonators, so today I want to show you how I made one of my all-time favorite resin creations. And this one was honestly so simple. I just used these gorgeous iridescent black crystals that I got from Amazon. I will be sure to put the link in my link tree because guys, you need these crystals. They're so freaking pretty. So anyways, I thought it would be so cool to fill up this mold that I got from Amazon. Absolutely love it because it has a really cool textured design on it. And I thought this would look really cool with these crystals. I used crystal clear resin from Resin with a tad bit of black glitter from Resin. And guys, these are the results. I think the lid came out so cute and the base is even better. The video honestly does not do it justice. It is so sparkly in person and this beauty already sold in my shop and I cannot be any more grateful. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey Resonators, I hope you all have been doing fantastic. So my question for you today is, do you prefer lakes or oceans? I honestly love both of them in their own way, but if I'm gonna go swimming, I'm gonna pick the lake because the ocean is just way too big for me and it freaks me out kind of. So you guys have to let me know which one you would pick. So for today's creation, guys, I was feeling really beachy. It is getting cold out here where I live, so I'm already missing summer. So for this container, I wanted to use these green Aventurine crystals that I've had forever, and I never really figured out what to use them for because they're so tiny, but they worked perfectly for the rim of this container. For the lid, I had a bunch of big green Aventurine, and I just filled out the rest of the little empty spots with the crushed ones. And then I topped it off with starfish and seashells, and I'm using crystal clear resin from Resin, and the gorgeous glitter that I'm using is from Resin. Now guys, don't forget, if you're interested in any of these products, I have exclusive coupon codes in my link tree in the bio, so check it out. So guys, these are the final results to my beachy container, and they really did set the mood that I was going for, and now I just am so ready to go to a beach. So you guys, let me know what you think about the final results in the comments, and be sure to drop some beachy themed emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, besties, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, stay warm, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey besties, I hope you all have been having an amazing holiday season so far. I am so excited for Christmas. I am obsessed with the lights and I cannot wait to give my kids the gifts that they've been asking for. So let me know in the comments, what are you most excited for this Christmas? Anyways, besties, I am so excited to show you honestly my favorite resin fail. So guys, I used to make resin purses a lot back in the day and I don't know why, but I just stopped making them as much. But I was really excited to try this new design that I've been thinking of. So there is a couple of things that makes this a fail for me. Thing number one is I didn't necessarily swirl the colors exactly the way I wanted to. I think they still came out really pretty, but I almost wish I would have just left it with the white. But you guys let me know in the comments, do you like the pink and purple swirl or do you think it was better with just white? Also, I should have paid attention to what direction the resin mold was in because I forgot that they only fit into the frame a certain way. So initially I wanted both of the clear pieces to be on the same side so that it could be crystal clear at the top. But honestly, I screwed it up and I didn't pay attention. Now, I'm not gonna lie, overall, once it was in the frame, I was still super excited with the results, but it's not exactly what I was going for. So you guys have to let me know what you think of the final look. Anyways, my loves, as usual, thank you so much for being here and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey Resonators, so today I am so excited to show you my latest snowflake container. I know you guys are probably a little bit annoyed that I am already doing like snowy type stuff, but guys, I love Christmas time and I love snowflakes. But don't worry, I still have a little bit of fall left in me, so make sure that you stay tuned. All right guys, so to make this gorgeous sparkly snowflake container, I started out with crystal clear resin from Resin, and then you know I love my Resin glitter, so I found my favorite couple of really sparkly glitters to go along with their snowflake glitter, and I think this came out so cute. Now I did decide to add a little bit of opaque white to this mix to give it that snow snowy effect, and it worked perfectly. So guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this thing is really annoying to demold, but once you demold it, it is well worth it. So guys, these are the final results to the base. You have to let me know what you think. And as for the lid, this was what I was the most excited for because that snowflake glitter is gorgeous. So guys, what do you think about the final results to my latest snowflake container? I was actually really proud of this one because I took a lot of extra time to make sure that the resin got to each corner of the snowflake, and these are the final results. I always like to show my art off outside and inside because it has like a completely different look, but nothing beats the natural sunlight. So guys, be sure to drop some snowflake emojis in the comments if you love the final results. And as usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey Resinators, so I have a quick question for you today. What is your all-time favorite holiday? For me and my family, it's gonna have to be Halloween because we love to dress up, but Christmas is a close second. Yeah, it's true that I hate the weather during Christmas because I do not like being cold, but I absolutely love the magical Christmas lights, and I love seeing the joy in my kids' eyes when they see them. So anyways, guys, I have this adorable Christmas tree candle, like tea light holder, and I was so excited to use this chrome powder that I received from Let's Resin. So I have learned that this chrome powder works the best if you put it directly onto the mold because it gives it the coolest finish, but you want to make sure that you clean up your work or it can look like a big old mess. It is tedious, but it's totally worth it. So to fill in this container, I decided to use a few of my favorite Resin glitters. And guys, it just really sets the Christmas vibes. I know that this piece is super simple, but somehow it's one of my favorites because I feel like it looks so professional and I am super proud. So anyways, guys, you have to let me know what you think about the final results and be sure to drop some Christmas trees in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, besties, thank you always for showing up, and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.